Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Make sure your Apple Watch has enough charge and is unlocked. You don't need to go through extra setup. Open the Settings app on the watch or the Watch app on your iPhone, then tap Display and Brightness. Once there, you can immediately check wrist detection and wake duration. Enabling wrist detection ensures the watch recognizes you and wakes reliably. Make these initial choices so the watch will respond when you move or raise your wrist. Next, enable Always On if your model supports it. This keeps complications and the face visible and conserves an ambient mode. Then change wake duration to 70 seconds so the screen stays lit after interaction. This reduces repeated taps. Also make sure theater mode and do not disturb are off, because they prevent screen wake. Once done, test by raising your wrist and tapping the screen. If it stays on longer, you've completed the core adjustments. Finish by restarting your watch so all display settings take effect. Rebooting resolves many state issues quickly. Make sure low power mode and power reserve are off, because those modes disable always on and shorten wake time. If always on or wake duration are unavailable or grayed out, update Watch OS and verify wrist detection is enabled in settings. If problems persist, reboot both watch and iPhone. That typically clears
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.